guys, and welcome to today's video. As I'm sure you have figured out from the title and the thumbnail, today we are going to be unbagging my Ipsy subscription. Just received this on my way home from work, so I came in, touched up my makeup, turned on the camera, and thought we would open this up together. So let us get going. I've not been spoiled at all about this bag. I'm immediately hit with a very overwhelming smell of plastic when I open this, so I can tell it's gonna be one of those plasticky bags. And here we go. Okay, so that's a very cool, like iridescent, mermaidy kind of look to it. No markings on it except for the little Ipsy zip, so that's actually quite a nice little bag. I think this one will be useful. And let's open it up and see what we've got. I've got a couple of little tubs, so let me start with this one. Not a lot of identifying characteristics on here. This is a translucent loose setting powder. Oh, it's a Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. That is awesome. I mean, it's a small container, but loose setting powders go so far. If you've watched any of my videos recently, you know that I have been enjoying the Tarte powder, the I'm gonna forget the name of it. It's the Amazonian clay finishing powder. Now, I did have somebody point out to me, which was very helpful, that a finishing powder is not necessarily a setting powder. They do different things. A finishing powder is more about giving you that very airbrushed look at the end, whereas the setting powder is really setting your makeup in. But this is a setting powder, and you know, I have never tried Laura Mercier setting powder, and it is the one that you always hear about if you watch, you know, people doing makeup or beauty things on YouTube at all. So all of that to say, I am incredibly excited about getting this, and I'm gonna start testing this right away. Reaching back into the bag, there's something that is bubble wrapped here, so let's get that out. It's a little tube. Okay, it's from a company called La Beauté Fatale, and it looks a little homemade Etsy-ish in the way that this is just sort of a little stick-on sticker. But let's open it up and see what it is. Again, one of my favorite things about subscription services is getting things and learning about brands that you never would have heard of otherwise, because this looks really pretty when I get it out. I am assuming it is a lipstick in the shade Vibrate, and it just says La Beauté Fatale on the container. What do you think? I think it's going to be a bright red. Ooh, that is a like very purplish pink. Ooh, okay. And it's a, you know, full-size bullet lipstick. So I am really looking forward to finding out more about this company and testing out the lipstick. Going back into the bag, there is something flat. Oh, that's just their little Ipsy tag. Is there a theme this month? Ready to dive into summer. So I guess it's supposed to look like water. Your 5 glam bag picks, pool ready makeup bag, and a ton of inspo on the Ipsy app are here to help you make a splash. So I guess this is waterproof. Dive back in again. Okay, I've got another bubble wrapped thing. I've got a squeezy tube, and I've got something I can't quite feel. Let's start with that. Okay, so it's a little dropper kind of container from a company called Mint Pear. Rose Hip Night Serum. Oh, okay. So this is interesting for me. I've never heard of the company, once again, but I have been very interested in trying a rose hip serum because I hear that it's supposed to fade scars, sort of really do nice things for your skin's complexion. And I've heard a lot of people really saying that it works. So let me just see what the ingredients are on here. It is pure organic rosehip seed oil, jojoba oil, pomegranate seed oil, carrot seed oil, red raspberry seed oil, maracuja oil, passion fruit seed oil, tomato seed oil, watercress seed oil, calendula oil, and lavender essential oil. That is a lot of different kinds of oils going on there. So this is not really a pure rosehip oil, which is what I was considering trying, but it still sounds like a lot of really great stuff in here. It says how to use. God, I have good eyesight. This is incredibly hard to read. Renew skin. Apply daily to renew your youthful skin elasticity by lightening face. I can't. I have to get under better light than I'm in right now to be able to read what's on here. But that is really cool, and I'm going to test out using that. Dive back in again. Let me go for the squeezy tube. Okay, so I believe I've tried this before. No, actually I haven't. This is different. So it's a Briogeo product. I do enjoy Briogeo products, so excited to see that. I wasn't so excited to see that it was charcoal, but previously I tried a charcoal shampoo that just wasn't for me. But this is a charcoal and peppermint oil cooling jelly conditioner. So that sounds quite interesting. And I'm just gonna crack it open and smell it because Briogeo hair products have the best smell. Oh my gosh, that is just the most beautiful peppermint. I absolutely love mint chocolate products, and that doesn't smell like chocolate, but something about the mint of it just immediately reminds me of After Eights, those little square chocolates that the only time I ever have them is at Christmas, but I love them. And that just immediately reminds me of the smell of After Eights, and that is awesome. So I'm looking forward to trying this. So far, very much a winner of a bag. Let's see what the very last thing is here. It's also wrapped in bubble wrap. And again, a company I have not heard of. So this is from a company called Ella Eden London, and this is, what is this? Is it a blush or is it a pink eyeshadow? I'm going to guess it's a blush, but it says here, Pressed Harmony, Ella Eden, ingredients, talc mica, other things. It doesn't say if it's a blush or not. It just says that it is Pressed Harmony. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research on this, but it very much looks like a blush. I'll just open this up. Maybe not a blush. That is very highlighty. It could be a blush topper, or it could be a pink eyeshadow. I will do my research and I will let you know what I find out. So that is my Ipsy bag for this month. I have to say I'm very excited about all the products that are in there. I would say, no, I'm equally excited about all the products. There's the brands that I've heard of before, like Briogeo and Laura Mercier, where I'm excited to try the actual product because that conditioner smells heavenly. And Laura Mercier, I've always wanted to try their setting powders, so I'm excited about those. With the other products, I would say that maybe I'm not so excited about the blush and lipstick, just because the lipstick doesn't really look like a color that I would always wear. But they're from brands I haven't heard of before, so I get to learn more about it, I get to play around with it, I get to know an entirely new cosmetics company. And this one is also a company that is brand new to me, Mint Pear, but is also a product that I've wanted to try. So through all those combinations, this is a winner of a bag for me. Please let me know in the comments down below, what did you receive that was the same as me? Have you tried any of these products before? What are you looking forward to trying from your bag, or what would you like me to test from my bag? And all of that. If you enjoyed this unbagging, then hit that thumbs up button down below. And while you are down there, if you've not subscribed, you can click on subscribe down there, or I will also make my face pop up here. I'll put one of my other videos up here, and also hit that bell button because that lets you know when I'm posting. And I've been a little irregular in my posting schedule lately, so that will give you the notifications. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.